Alright, here we go. Got a new one for y'all. Yeah. I don't care. Another hog mix for y'all. Deer mix, whatever. Bear mix, bar mix. Well, with corn. Then got strawberry syrup, strawberry spread. This is actually strawberry jelly. Was basically jelly in. We got the fruit punch, and we got our Caro syrup. Give it a stir. Right. So it's fruit punch, strawberry jelly, Caro syrup, corn, called sticky sweet.
Hey, I like my martini shaking, not stirred.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in front of the camera. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. There we go. Got it right there in front of the camera. David's on camera. And let's see what we got. Right where we got forward in front of the camera. Dug into it pretty good.